Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to trade the Kaspa coin. It's quite easy to get this done. Simply download the KuCoin mobile app as a centralized exchange's KuCoin, and that's what I'm going to be working with for today's video. Simply open up your KuCoin, and with the KuCoin app opened, make sure you have an account. And if you don't have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified KuCoin account, how do you trade the Kaspa token? It's quite easy to do this. All you need to do is make sure you deposit some Kaspa or some crypto that can be converted into the Kaspa coin. And to do this, click on the deposit icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you've clicked this deposit icon, simply search for Kaspa. And once you've found the Kaspa token, select the network, which is Kaspa. And once that's done, copy your wallet address. Once you've copied your wallet address, simply deposit using that wallet address. You can confirm your deposit by heading to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the funding or trading, depending on where your Kaspa is deposited. Now the Kaspa has been dropped on our funding wallet. And how do we transfer or how do we trade? So simply click on the transfer option. Select the Kaspa or search for Kaspa. Once you found the Kaspa, we're going to be moving 8.5 Kaspa from our funding to our trading account. Confirm this. Scroll over to your trading account and perform a reload, and you'd find the Kaspa token there. And now to be able to trade, head over to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, search for Kaspa USDT by clicking on the coin pair at the top. So once you clicked on the coin pair, search for KAS and you'd find Kaspa USDT. Now we're going to be clicking on sell so we can sell some of our Kaspa for the USDT. Enter the amount of Kaspa you wish to sell, and by clicking on limit or market price, we get to buy the Kaspa or sell the Kaspa at the current price of the market. So once you click on sell Kaspa, you then get to sell your available Kaspa into the USDT, which you would then find on the trading wallet right here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.